Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get access token in Postman in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here we have this Postman guide to show us how to connect Postman with Salesforce. So basically now we need just to create a new workspace in our uh, Postman. So from here you can have I have already this workspace. So basically this is my workspace and we can go there, and from there I have already forked this uh, collection, and basically then you will need to go to your collection in Salesforce. So basically we can go simply to collection, search for Salesforce platform API, and then you do a forking. So now we need just to search for Salesforce platform APIs, which I have already forked, and then you will need to search for the auth 2.0. Here we will find the authentication, and we need just to search for auth uh, 2.0. And basically and simply we need just to go to authorization, and from here we can to the Salesforce platform. Here we go to the 2.0. After that, we go down, we click on Get New Access Token. You will need to allow the access to the Salesforce API in your Salesforce. You click on Allow, and now you have the authentication that will be complete. So basically now you have your access token, which is this one, and basically you can always change this access token, and I'm not going to use it. And basically you will need just to click on use token, and now you can start communicating with the API using this token. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.